Hey everybody, welcome back. We're here. I have some new item to unbox today. I happened to be doing some shopping at my local retailer. Wasn't planning on looking for any headphones, but I ended up picking up these Sony headphones. They're wireless headphones, also noise canceling. Found them for a decent price. They were on sale, so I figured let's try them out. In general, I love my Bose headphones. They're wired, they're not Bluetooth, but they have noise canceling. Been using them exclusively, and I've really enjoyed them. They're very good and they work very well. In this case, I decided to go with Sony. As I mentioned, wasn't looking for headphones. These are wireless. Figured let's give them a try and let's see what they sound like. So let's unbox it and let's see what comes in the box. The box comes with some saran wrap on it. We'll take that off and let's see what's here. As we're opening these, I will want to say that they do say that they support both Android and iPhones, but they are specifically made for the iPhone. There is an app for them which allows you to adjust some of the configuration settings. I don't know what those settings are at this point. It's part of their Headphones Connect. We'll check it out. We'll see what it is after we hook it up here. So here's the box. Comes nicely packaged, not too bad. There is a little card here that does tell us that we need the Headphones Connect application, and it has instructions in terms of where to find it and how to use it. As I mentioned before, it works both for Android and for Apple. This will be handy. We'll need this later so we can see what the different buttons are on the headphones and how we can use them. Nice. These look pretty good. I already like them, just kind of opening the box. They have a nice leather headband. Looks like it's nice and soft on the ears. Don't look too big. Don't feel very heavy, which is very important. I don't really like headphones that feel like you have a million pounds on your head. They have a micro USB connection, probably to charge them, but we'll end up exploring that and see what options exist as part of that. And these are the headphones. So let's put them on. Feels nice, doesn't feel too bad. We'll end up hooking it up, charging them for a little bit, installing the application, playing with the different settings and seeing how they function. So we have the headphones in the box. Charging wire, micro USB. We probably have 100 of these laying around the house. Seems like everything these days comes with them, unless you're getting a device that's explicitly has a connection for USB-C. And then the headphone wire. So although they are wireless and they are Bluetooth, there is also a wire that comes with them, which is actually really cool for those times that you don't want to use Bluetooth because it can burn your battery. A manual talking about how to configure them. And a really cool kind of poster which talks about all the different settings for them and how to hook it up. So this is actually really cool because it makes it much more easier to hook these up. Pictures are always better than reading. They seem to make more sense to many people. So I'm happy that Sony does this. So again, as we mentioned, in terms of an unboxing, we have a bunch of literature, a bunch of reading materials and instruction guides. So read the manual. You always want to read the manual and make sure you know all the features that exist on whatever device you have. We have the headphones themselves. We have a wire that allows us to connect the headphones to any device that we want to listen to the audio from. And we also have a charger for them. So we'll be charging them up, we'll be listening to them, we'll be trying them out inside and outside, and I'll come back in a couple of days and I'll let you know how comfortable they are, if I like them, what I don't like, and we'll go from there. If you like, subscribe. Don't forget to also hit the little bell It seems like YouTube doesn't always alert you if there's new videos, and it's important for us. We're a new channel, we're developing. We want to let you know when I have new videos and what those videos are. So definitely looking to your support of subscribing and hitting the bell to listen to us. So thank you. I appreciate it, and we'll be back here in a few days. And have a good one.